Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this particular video I will be explaining exactly how I made over $500 from the Buzzer app in just 2 days. Okay, I made over $500 in just 48 hours using just this new social media app. This is sports social media app, and I made a recent video about it. As you can see, this was my last video, so I'm making this video to actually educate you guys on how to actually earn more and how to grow your account on this particular social media app. Now, if it's your first time
Actually, come back to my PayPal account right here. As you can see, Buzzer social media platform has sent 535 USD to you October 10th 2025. Now let me actually go over to my account and show you guys this transaction on my account. Okay, so just come back to activity right here, and as you can see, this is it. Okay, so this is 100% free. So right now we're showing you guys exactly how to, and now that you have already seen that this platform does pay, let me show you guys now. So basically this is my account right here. Okay, now as you can see, I have about 466 followers, and I actually have about 1000 views on my post. Now for every 1000 views you'll be given about 10 cents. Okay, now this is not like any other social media where you have to reach a certain requirement to start getting paid. On the Buzzer app you get monetized right away, and for every 1000 views you get a fixed rate of 10 cents. And one of my posts actually got about 1709 views, as you can see right here. Now on this also, you also get a 30-cent recurring referral commission every month. Now I referred about 303 persons again just within 24 hours, and this is about $90 right here on my balance. So how exactly do you make withdrawals? If I come over to my withdrawal section right here, you can actually see it on my withdrawal section where I made a withdrawal right here on this app. Now how do you request payment on the Buzzer app? Okay, just click on the request payment button right now. As you can see, it says you are about to request payment for $91. This action cannot be undone. Would you like to proceed? Now click on confirm, and it automatically sends a message to them. Okay, so just paste this right here and paste your email, which is your PayPal email right here. Just write it right here and you are good to go. Okay, so that's exactly how to make a withdrawal right here on this app. As you can see, your stats have reset, so you can just start referring your friends again and start earning for yourself. Now how do you actually refer friends? Click on the three dot right now in the top right hand corner, click on invite friends and end point, copy your referral link and you share to your friends and family, and you get 30-cent recurring commission for each invite, and if you annually get that recurring commission when they stay active for a month. So this is Spot app. Ask them to post sport related content. Now you can earn with or without referrals. Remember, you get 10 cents for every 1000 views. Okay, so when you post sport related content you could get thousands and thousands of views. This is a new social media, it's growing. So guys, another thing you can actually do right here is leave a 5-star rating. Okay, come back to your Play Store, your App Store, and leave them a 5-star rating right here to actually encourage more users to join this app. Okay, now when you actually give them good rating, they will be determined to bring more rewards to users like you and me in the future. So just click on 5-star right here and click on write a review, write an awesome review about them, and you are good to go. Okay, so share to your friends and family. And one thing guys, avoid creating multiple accounts on this particular app. Okay, multiple accounts is not allowed on this app. And if you want to change your username, just click on the edit profile right, so you can change your username and change your about mail. So this looks just like Instagram. You can also add external link if you want to promote your website or any social media that is related to sports. You can promote it right here and add your link in the bio right here. Okay, now as you can see, they also have something called Buzzer Coin, and you earn points when you stay active on the app. For every 60 seconds you also earn referral points. Aside the 30-cent recurring commission for referrals, you earn free points which can be converted at TGE. Okay, they are looking to launch the Buzzer Coin next year, 2026. As you can see, you can check out their roadmap right here. Okay, currently I have 559 points because I actually have a lot of referrals for myself, and I've also been active on this app to earn more. So to actually post, click on the plus icon right now, which is this middle one, and post just like Instagram. You can post your reels, your photos, or your videos, and you are good to go. As you can see, I've been receiving some notifications right here, and I'm gaining followers over and over again. So post some sport related content and you're good to go. All right, I'm also following some users right here. If you follow me, I'll be sure to totally follow you back. So just follow me right here on the browser app, and I'll actually have to follow you back. Okay, so let's grow our fan base right here. Again, this is a new social media app. You should jump on this right now and also invite your friends and family to earn for themselves. Okay, so the whole idea is that everyone earns and we'll all are happy. Okay, I want everyone, each and everyone, to actually earn from this particular app. The minimum withdrawal right now is about $10, and you can only withdraw to PayPal as of this particular moment of making this video. Okay, so this is 10th October 2025. You can only withdraw to PayPal as of this moment, but soon I believe they're going to add more options like crypto, which is available worldwide for everyone. Okay, now if you want to see more videos like this, of course, like this video and share with your friends who are also interested in making money online, and I will be encouraged to make more videos just like this one you just watched. And without much or wasting much of our time, I'll actually have to call it a day here. If you have any questions, leave in the comment section below, and I will answer the question within the next 24 hours. I will see you guys in my next video.